Hello. In one of my previous videos, many of you comment that I want to make a video on WP Quiz Pro plugin. Okay, and I talk about a quiz plugin in the previous video. The quiz plugin name is WP Pro Quiz. Okay, and today I talk about WP Quiz Pro plugin. This one is WP Pro Quiz, and today's video I talk about WP Quiz Pro plugin. Okay, this plugin has some features that will make your website more attractive. Okay, so let's start. First, open your dashboard and go to plugin section and add new plugin. And here upload plugin, choose file and WP Quiz Pro plugin, open and install now. And active plugin. My plugin is active. Now set up the plugin. WP Quiz Pro, this one here. Click the all quizzes. Add new quiz. Here we see 6 type of quiz you can create for your WordPress website. Trivia, personality, sweeper, list quiz, Facebook quiz and flip quiz. First, try to create trivia quiz. Create quiz. And quiz name is demo. Here shortcode is automatic generate. Add question. Upload image. You can use here image or not. This is optional. Next is question text. Okay. Answer explanation. This is optional. Question hint. This is optional. Answer. Add answer. 3. Add answer. 4. This is a correct tick mark. Add answer. 6. Next, add question. You can create multiple question in a page. Okay. Add question. Question text. No. One is upload image. This one select. For example, here hint shirt. Answer black. Add answer red. Add answer blue. This is the correct answer. And here publish. And copy this shortcode and create one post for soda quiz. New quiz one. Paste the shortcode here and publish. And view post. Here we see 3 wrong. Show the hint. Here we see the hint. Click the hint. Shirt blue. Okay. This way you can set your quiz. Now edit the quiz. Here is styling and setting. For styling, multiple page. So next button on. Progress bar color is okay green and question font black, background color white. Okay, this one. And next settings. Randomize question is on. Answer also on. Restart question off or on? On. So embed code Traggle. That's a no. And count down the timer like 20 seconds. Okay, second per question. Overall time in second 40 seconds. Per second one question you try. Time is 20. 2 question. Total time is 40 seconds. Auto scroll to next question is off. So right, wrong, off, and so add, subscribe to play, pay to no, and update. After update, refresh the page. This is time quiz. You will be given 40 seconds to answer all questions. Are you ready? Begin. Click the begin. And we see progress bar. First 50% is complete. Wrong. Next page is continue. Blue. Here I see here the answer is randomize. Okay. And next is personality. Create quiz. Please add result before adding question. Personality. Add question. The same as previous. Here answer you can add image also. Add answer, upload image and answer means text and image you can use here. Okay, and styling, settings, same settings is previous one. And next one is sweeper. Create quiz. Add question. Here same as image. Votes up and down. Add question. Question is how are you? Okay, add question. First question is what is your name? Where are you from? This is demo question. Okay, and publish. Copy this and paste here and update. View post. Begin, second one. Click this. What is your name? Where are you? Here also you can, these are mandatory, not for mandatory. Okay, these are mandatory. You can add image for this quiz. Okay, and result you show. Also you share these three options: Facebook, Twitter and VK. And next is, what is next? Flip. Add question. Okay, for flip, add question. Okay, here you first question is, when one user click this font image, then credit 1 and back credit 0 and upload image. For example, this one, when user click the lotus, then credit 0. And when one user click the lily, credit 1. Publish. And you can change settings for your requirement. And copy the code. Okay, sorry. Post, all post. Edit. Paste here and update. New quiz. Refresh the page. Click to flip. I click the lotus. Here I see 1. Okay. And next quiz is Facebook quiz. Okay, if you need this quiz, please comment us. Okay, and I give my contact details in description box. You contact me for this quiz. Okay, and thank you.